Right, so that's everything stripped off this corner. That's going to need to go for crack detecting. Upright. This has got to be stripped down. Brake duct off of it. Anything that bolts onto it really has got to come off so they can crack detect that and the hub. These are sealed units as well, so you cannot change the wheel bearing in them. So this is a complete assembly you buy straight from Ferrari. They're about 2,500 quid. Dampers, they'll have to go, they'll be stripped, all the springs off them, go for dyno testing, checked. They're the suspension arms, wishbones. Pins have to come out for crack testing as well. So we've still got the other side to take off, that lot, and this will all come off as well, but we'll, like I was saying before, it'll be dropped out and then taken apart. That's it for the day.